Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Ask The Trichologist. My name is Atilola, a certified trichologist at African Naturalistas Hair Clinic. I'm excited to be in front of you once again answering your questions, and this is going to be our last episode for the year 2022. I'm so excited. I'm happy I could do this for like 1 year consistently. I don't know if I've been so consistent, but I've been doing it consistently, and I'm excited that I wanted to do this to answer your questions about hair and scalp issues, and it happened. Wow, I'm so proud of myself, and thank you because you made it possible. It is because of you that this could happen. So don't forget to keep sending in your questions concerning hair and scalp, and then we'll be able to answer you. But you can support us by subscribing to this channel, because Ask the Trichologist is that program where you send in your questions about hair and scalp and we answer it. And a lot of people have a lot of things to benefit from this channel. So subscribe, share, like, click on the notification bell. Anything you need to do to support this channel, please do it. Thank you very much for your support. So in today's episode, we have Lily. Wow, such a lovely name. Lily from South Africa. This is a very interesting question. She says, Atilola, please, what is alopecia and how do I know if I have one? Wow, I have never gotten such simplistic question since I have been doing Ask the Trichologist. This is a very simple question and can be very confusing also, because some people just hear alopecia everywhere and they just think, oh, what exactly is alopecia? Also, I have had a lot of people come into the DM, send me emails, send me so many questions saying, I have alopecia, and I'm like, what exactly do you have? What exactly is the type of alopecia you're suffering from? So I'm very happy that I can get to answer this question, you know, in a simple manner and just simplify it for you. Alopecia is just basically another name for hair loss. Alopecia is the scientific name, or should I say the official name for hair loss. But here is where a lot of people go wrong. They lose their hair and they come to us at the hair clinic, or they send us a DM and they say, I have alopecia, please help me. No. You don't want to say I have alopecia, please help me. It's just saying like, I have headache. You go to the doctor and tell them, my head is aching me, please help me. Then the doctor will ask you, oh, what kind of headache? Where are you feeling the ache? How often do you feel the ache? And so many things. You cannot just say, I have headache, please give me a tablet to solve my headache. So you can't just come and tell the trichologist, I have alopecia, please help me. The question is, what kind of alopecia do you have? Who told you have alopecia? And there lies the main question. What kind of alopecia do we have in this world? So we have so many kinds of alopecia. We have androgenic alopecia, we have traction alopecia, we have CCCA, we have frontal fibrosing alopecia, we have alopecia areata. We have so many kinds of alopecia, and new types of alopecia are still coming on. So what exactly is alopecia? Traction alopecia is the alopecia that happens, well, it occurs mostly around the temporal region and the frontal region, because that is where a lot of tension takes place, and occurs mostly in black women, but it happens in women of other races or people, both genders actually, but mostly black and mostly women, because they are the ones who experiment with styles mostly. Then we have androgenic alopecia, which is actually androgenetic alopecia, and is the genetic form of alopecia. It happens when you get, you know, one hair loss gene from your mother and one hair loss gene from your father. But I've already explained this particular alopecia in a previous video, so I'll put the link in the description box below. So if you want to learn so much more about how the hair loss genes happens and people get androgenic alopecia, you can always go and watch that video. Of course, we have alopecia areata, which is an autoimmune disorder. It's not your fault, it's nothing you did wrong, it's coming from the inside of you, where your body sees that area as an enemy and begins to kill the cells in that area. We have frontal fibrosing alopecia, which people are still trying to find out more about this alopecia, but it happens in the frontal region and it happens mostly in women of older age. We also have the very common CCCA, central cicatricial centrifugal alopecia. So it happens in the middle of the head and happens in a circular pattern till it burns out the entire hair. Those are the most common forms of alopecia. You get some of them are scarring, some of them are non-scarring. We also have the alopecia totalis and the alopecia universalis. Alopecia totalis is when everything all over your head has fallen off and there is not a single strand there. While alopecia universalis is when everything all over your body has fallen off. So when you come and say, I have alopecia, what kind of alopecia do you have? We use hair loss patterns to determine what kind of alopecia a woman is suffering from, but the 100% like non-contestable diagnosis comes from when you do a scalp biopsy on that area, and they'll be able to tell, oh, this is scarring, this is not scarring, and they'll be able to drill down to what exact kind of alopecia you have. So if you have any form of alopecia, you want to get a proper diagnosis, you can also, send us a message so you can book a trichology consultation with us at our hair clinic. You can book a virtual consultation or a physical consultation. So it doesn't matter your location, we are going to be able to help you out at African Naturalistas Hair Clinic. So I hope this short video has been able to tell you what exactly alopecia is and the kinds of alopecia that there are, or the common kinds of alopecia there are, and what you can do if you suspect that you're suffering from. Yes, there's one question that you also asked. You said, how do you know if you're suffering from alopecia? Trust me, if you're suffering from alopecia, you are going to know. It's just like saying, how do I know if my skin is black? If your skin is black, even if you don't know your skin is black, by the time you walk down the street, somebody's going to be telling you, hey girl, you're black. So yeah, that's basically it about alopecia. If you want to find out more, if you want to know what kind of alopecia you have, you want to find treatment options, send us a message. Just check the description box below, send an email to att@africannaturalistas.com. So if you have any questions about hair and scalp, ask in the description, in the comment section below, or send an email to att@africannaturalistas.com. Everything is in the description box below, and we'll be able to take your questions. Till I come your way again next time in the next episode of Ask the Trichologist, I will see you. But before you go, like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, click the notification bell. Those are the 4 things I want you to do before you go. Till I see you in the next episode. Bye.